The millions of people who travel to celebrate Thanksgiving are getting ready to head home, and doctors are on edge, anticipating the celebrations could be super spreader events, fueling an even greater surge. And here in New York, 6,063 new cases were reported. 2,100 of those were in New York City. The city's average positivity rate now at 2.61%. And a memo to New York City firefighters suggests vaccines may be available to first responders in just a matter of weeks. The internal FDNY memo was obtained by NBC News, and in it, Commissioner Daniel Nigro states vaccinations will potentially begin in mid to late December. The commissioner says the vaccine from Moderna or Pfizer will not be mandatory, but the department wants members to consider the overall health benefits. Rockland County is working to keep schools in the yellow zone open for in-person learning starting Monday. It has to test 20% of students and staff for COVID. Testing will be available at several schools in the impacted districts and also at the parking garage at Palisades Center Mall. If the school community has a lower positivity rate than the rest of the yellow zone, testing will not be required to continue in-person learning. Well, we have just learned that New Jersey's health commissioner is self-quarantining after an employee in her office tested positive for COVID-19. Officials say the employee was last in the office on Tuesday and is currently isolating at home. We're told that she and other staff members will work from home through December 8th. New Jersey just logged 3,900 new COVID cases and 24 deaths. Hospitalizations ticked up again as of Friday night. 2,800 people were in the hospital with COVID complications. In Newark tonight, 8 restaurants were just hit with fines for not following public health orders. We don't know which restaurants were fined, but the mayor says summonses were issued to employees not wearing masks. And it comes in the middle of Newark's 10-day lockdown. Everyone is asked to stay at home if possible through December 4th. In Connecticut, the COVID-19 positivity rate is over 4%, and hospitalizations continue to move in the wrong direction. For the first time since May, that number is over 1,000. More than 3,400 people tested positive for the virus since Wednesday. Most of the state is still in a red alert zone, which means towns can impose public health restrictions if needed.